In today's video, I'm going to compare two popular design apps, Canva and Figma, and help you decide which one is right for your needs. Let's start with a look at the key difference between them. Canva and Figma are both browser-based apps that let you design visual material, but they're actually rather different tools. Canva is aimed at users with minimal or no design experience. It provides a wide range of easy-to-use design features and assets, including templates, royalty-free images, and very user-friendly image editing tools. These can all be used to design a huge variety of visual assets. But the platform is particularly good for creating marketing material. Think Instagram Reels, social media posts, banner ads, YouTube thumbnails, and presentations. Figma, on the other hand, is primarily about interface design. It excels at letting users create wireframes and prototypes for websites and apps, and offers strong collaboration features to help teams with these tasks. That said, the lines between Canva and Figma have become a bit blurred. Both platforms now share a range of features that make them competitors in quite a few areas. The key things they have in common are drawing tools, photo editing features, presentation makers, and whiteboarding functionality. In the rest of this Canva versus Figma comparison, I'll give my take on how these shared features stack up against each other. And if you're interested in using either tool, head to the video description, where you'll find the latest trials and offers for both, including a special extended Canva trial. Okay, let's go through the shared features now. 1. Drawing tools. In Canva, the drawing tools are pretty simple. You get a pen, marker, and highlighter, and you use these to draw freehand on your designs. In Figma, by contrast, digital drawing is taken to a professional level thanks to a suite of tools that facilitate both freehand and technical drawing work. These allow you to draw straight lines, curves, and complex shapes with much more precision than Canva's drawing tools. They also let you add, subtract, or manipulate anchor points on your stroke. This means you can refine your designs until they are just right. So ultimately, it's a win for Figma here. It gives you much more powerful drawing features than Canva. 2. Photo editing features. Canva and Figma both provide you with features for editing and manipulating photos in various ways. I was a bit surprised, however, to discover that the photo editing tools in Figma are pretty basic. They let you adjust settings like exposure, saturation, tint, and contrast, and facilitate basic cropping and resizing. But more complex image edits need to be done in a separate photo editing app, or by using a plugin. Canva's photo editing capabilities are much more extensive. It gives you lots of editing features that you won't find in Figma, including a photo background removal tool, a large range of photo filters, and lots of photo effects. Overall, when it comes to built-in photo editing capabilities, the tool with better features is definitely Canva. 3. Presentation makers. Both Canva and Figma come with presentation makers that let you design slideshows, add speaker notes, and present your content in a polished manner. Canva has a big edge when it comes to the quantity of presentation templates on offer. It gives you access to over 22,000 templates, while Figma provides 3,400. And Canva's presentation maker is better when it comes to functionality too. Unlike Figma's, it allows you to add a range of sound effects to your slides, and it also features a built-in video recording feature for creating narrated presentations. To be fair to Figma, its slides feature includes some interesting capabilities too, such as live polls and clickable prototypes. It also lets you add interactive elements like stamps and annotations to presentations. But overall, when it comes to creating and delivering presentations, Canva delivers more. It's better for exporting them too, because it lets you natively export your work to PowerPoint format. 4. Whiteboards. Canva and Figma both offer powerful whiteboard tools designed for working on brainstorming sessions, mind maps, and other visual collaborative project work. They work slightly different though. Canva's whiteboard is accessed within the regular Canva interface, while Figma's whiteboard tool, which goes by the name FigJam, is used as a standalone app. As with presentation templates, Canva has an edge when it comes to the number of ready-made whiteboard templates available. It offers 3,500 templates, while Figma provides just 200. When it comes to zoom functionality, Canva restricts zooms to 500%. While Figma doesn't officially publish a maximum zoom level for FigJam, in practice it extends into the thousands of percent. And FigJam takes collaboration one step further than Canva, providing some additional features designed specifically to enhance team interaction. For example, it gives you cursor chat functionality that lets you select individual elements on a whiteboard and start a team conversation about them. It also lets team members leave voice notes on a whiteboard. Overall, both whiteboard tools are very usable. But Figma takes the win here because it provides better collaboration features. Summing up. Ultimately, making the decision between Canva and Figma is quite simple. If you need to design marketing material, it's usually better to go with Canva. And if you need to design prototypes, choose Figma. When it comes to shared features, it's a win for Canva for photo editing and presentation making, and Figma beats Canva for drawing and creating whiteboards. And that's that, our Canva versus Figma comparison. If you'd like an even deeper dive, do check out the video description where you'll find a link to our full blog post comparing the two tools. You'll also find links to the latest trials and offers for both. Before you go, please do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe or follow wherever you're watching it. And if you have any queries, just leave them in the comments. We read them all and we'll do our best to help.